Hello and welcome to my video. Today I've got a noob guide to stock up for paleo diet. Stocking up your paleo pantry with Paleo Pantry essentials. Let's get started.
Stocking up your paleo pantry. There are many foods that you can keep on hand that will make it easier for you to make meals and plan ahead. While you'll need to purchase fresh produce frequently, there are several goods you can keep in your pantry or freezer. For protein: bacon, sausage, whole chickens, ground beef, beef jerky, canned tuna, canned wild salmon, and chicken stock. Condiments like Dijon mustard, marinara sauce jarred, tomato paste, balsamic vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and dill pickles or relish. Healthy fats are coconut oil, coconut milk, olive oil, ghee, avocado oil, macadamia oil, flaked coconut unsweetened, coconut flour, almond flour, and raw nuts like walnuts, almonds, pumpkin seeds, macadamia nuts, etc. Fruits and vegetables like dried fruit with no added sugar, frozen fruit, frozen vegetables, lemons, onions, garlic, squash, frozen spinach. And finally, paleo-ish foods. Some people like to add a few other staples to their pantry. These do have some processing, so not technically part of the paleo program, but some people add these to their list of choices. Almond milk, coffee, chocolate dark, teas with caffeine, raw honey, stevia, maple syrup. When you have your pantry fully stocked, it becomes much easier to prepare foods that fit the program. If you can't afford to stock everything up at once, then each time you go shopping, add one or two more pantry items to your list.
Hello again. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate a like. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all my new videos. If you'd like my free report, Alternative Medicines and Therapies, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.